Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Amore Antasia. Today is going to be like an old school YouTube type of vibe. This video is going to be basically a what's in my bag type of video slash Christian Dior mini saddle bag review. This bag has blown up kind of like the Birkin bag right now. Even though both of these bags are actually old as dirt, you know, everyone's talking about Dior saddle bags, everyone's talking about the Birkin bags. So I decided to go ahead and purchase one earlier this year. I've actually been holding this bag for a while, but I've been backed up doing grad school work and everything like that, so I didn't have time to review the bag. But today I just want to show you guys what actually fits inside of the Dior Saddle Mini, why I got the bag, and how you can get the bag for a discount. I also want to thank The Real Real for partnering with me to bring you this video, and I have a discount code in the description box for you guys if you want to make any luxury purchases or take advantage of the sales and coupon codes. So if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned. So this is the bag. This is the Dior Saddle. So I feel like a lot of celebrity influencers pushed this bag this year, but they honestly styled it properly. It looked cute, it looked fashionable, and not just trendy, but it looked like something that you could wear long term depending on the style that you got. And I didn't have like a small luxury bag like that was black with either gold trim on it to wear like to little fancy restaurants and dates as just like an everyday bag. So I just decided to go ahead and get it since I had an influencer rate that was much cheaper than the site, but you know, you could still use their discount codes that they have to get it at a much cheaper rate than the original price of $2,600 or $2,800 up to like $3,500, something like that, depending on the style and the size and the like I said, the color scheme. It comes in the grained calfskin. All of them have calfskin leather. However, I got the grain skin. So what it means by grain is that you can see like those little pebbles instead of like the smooth leather, even though to me this is kind of still smooth. So with the smooth leather, it looks like it is injury prone. Like you can easily scratch up the bag versus this one, you know, I don't have any scratches on it. And so I think that it will last much longer and it just looks better. I got the mini size because the bigger size kind of looks like a big kidney or liver, and I just felt like it just wasn't as cute. You can't just like wear it like this. It's just kind of big. And this one looks cuter alongside your hip when you're wearing it with the actual strap. I think that this bag is actually timeless because it is black leather. You can wear this any time of year with any types of style. It's like universal. You can wear this as like a, you know, boho chic or just even really fancy and elegant, you know, with your after 5 garments, or you could wear it like streetwear with the strap, especially because it looks more cool, more relaxed, like, you know, streetwear basically, or casual looks. And it doesn't scream money like that. It doesn't scream like, oh, this bag is expensive because it has a bunch of gaudy logos on it. I'm not a fan of the Dior, you know, monogram. Even though the monogram is cheaper, I'm not a fan of any monogram like that. I just don't like a lot of logos. It just screams money, and it screams that you want to get the brakes beat off of you and your purse stolen. And also, it comes in vintage, the vintage styles, which have different types of logos. This D is going to be a little bit bigger, and I think the C and the D on the sides are going to be bigger as well. The purse looks the same as far as structure, but it just has different types of elements to it. The vintage versions, even the 2008 is not necessarily vintage, but it is it's cheaper because it is one of the previous collections, and so you can get those for anywhere from like 16, sometimes as low as 1,500. And I'll make sure that I link all of the links in the descriptions box to where you can purchase the Dior bags or the pre-loved, if you want it brand new, which is fine, but I would choose to buy fairly new products from places like The Real Real or consignment luxury stores, because you might as well. Like, honestly, I don't think it's worth the entire $3,000 when you can find it for like $2,000. Yeah, for under $2,000 actually, like I did. I think that everyone should go with the leather if you're looking for something that's like timeless, because it's hard to match your outfits and wear the monogram with everything. Even if you get the blue or the black, I think the black is better than the blue, and the red, of course, or burgundy. But the leather bags, just, they're more expensive for a reason, because they last longer and they just look better. So as far as pricing, I believe that the pricing It just varies where you get them from. There's a lot of consignment shops that have them as low as $1,800, some $1,400, depending on the year of the collection, the vintage, or the bags that are out now. Luxury stores like Saks, they will have sales, and Neiman Marcus. If you already have rewards with them like I do, you can also save more money. Like if you buy a Louis Vuitton bag, you'll save a certain amount of money with your next purchase. And that is exactly how the Real operates. Like right now they have a sale. Let's see, I think I screenshot it somewhere. So right now they have a sale where you spend more, save more. So if you spend $500 at the Real right now, you earn $100. So that's $100 off of any luxury item, whether it's clothes, jewelry, or bags, or whatever. So like I just did in my previous video, I have a Neverfull. Let's say if I spent like $1,200 or $2,000, I would earn $250 off. If you spend $250, you get $50, and if you spend $1,000, you get $250 off, and then if you spend $2,000, you get $500 off. So that, along with the discount codes that they have, that I'll link in this, that I said I linked in the description box, you can save up to $1,000 off these bags. So let's go ahead and get into what actually fits. So do I believe that this bag is worth it? Yes, I do, because it does have the back side where you can put something in. I don't ever do that because I'm so clumsy, it'll just fall out. But I love the fact that it has the magnetic strips to open and close. And so this is what all fits inside. So I have my glasses, my Versace glasses. I love these now. These are fancy, but I need to have the box. But you know, when I'm going out with this, it's going to be somewhere nice anyway, so it's not like I'm going to have to cram everything in there. So I don't have to have my glasses box. It won't fit anyway. But I'm able to fit my foundation, my stick foundation that I always wear out whenever I'm just doing day-to-day makeup or everyday simple makeup. Plus it has a little sponge on there, so I don't have to worry about wasting space with a brush or a sponge in my bag. So this is a 2-in-1 for like, what, $10? And so I also have my mascara from Essence. I also have my Lancome Grandiose and my Giorgio Armani, but I just didn't put it in the bag today. I also have my Fenty Beauty. One thing about it also, I love the fact that you can, if you have a bunch of stuff like that's piled up to the top, like if your phone is big, you can still like barely close it and leave the strip up here and still, you know, have your bag closed. Or you can like pull it all the way down and, you know, close it like all together tightly. So I'm able to fit my cell phone. I have the iPhone 8. Even if I were to have the 10 or the 8 Plus, I do believe that it would be able to fit. You'll just have to tuck it in the back first. Or, you know, I would not trust my phone out here unless you have a case, a protective screen. And then I have my phone. My phone actually fits. I do have to take it out of the case, the Louis Vuitton case that I have, because it's kind of big. But I have another case that I actually do have. It's just a cute little rose gold glitter type of, you know, case. And I do keep it in there. And with the case, it can still fit inside. So I also have my Gucci Bamboo roller ball as the fragrance, because I always try to keep something in there for hygiene in case something happens. And, you know, I just want to refresh myself with makeup and everything like that. So my battery died. Not my battery, but all of my SD cards are super full right now. But that is it for the review on the bag. I love it. This is what it looks like. It looks really good on this camera. Really good. Really, really good. So if you guys like this type of content, go ahead and thumbs up and comment below with any questions that you might have on the bag. Don't forget to check the descriptions box. And I want to thank The Real again for partnering with me to bring you guys this video. And watch my previous videos. I do have some luxury unboxings and shopping. And I have some more affordable hauls as well. So check those out to save some money. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye and be blessed.